What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Coddiwomple Overland, we're going to be doing the Last Dollar Road in Telluride, Colorado. Coddiwomple Overland is proudly powered by Cummins Off-road, home of the Lifetime powertrain. Also in part by Overland Vehicle Systems, Faster Flate, and Trail-Rated Coffee. Be sure to come out and say hi to us at the Moore Expo, April 8th through the 10th in Springfield, Missouri. If you're looking to support our channel, you can find all of our apparel at Long Creek Overland. When we left you in part 7 of our Utah-Colorado expedition, we'd made it to Montrose, Colorado, and just finished up the Rim Rocker Trail with Overlanding Now. At that time, we separated from them guys and we started making our way on towards Telluride, but we were going to take a little shortcut along the Last Dollar Road. The Last Dollar Road is a shortcut between Ridgeway and Telluride. It was used as early as the 1800s as a mine supply route. Today it's considered one of the most scenic routes of this part of Colorado. This old ranch house on the Last Dollar Road was also the site of a famous John Wayne movie. This road is about 18 miles long, and it offers you everything from these wide open fields and ranches to some of the most epic sights of the mountains that you've ever seen. As we approached about 10,000 feet and started to go back down the other side, we decided to take a little offshoot to get a better view. It felt as if you were standing there looking at a painting. It just didn't seem real. We really considered camping here, but decided since we were really close to 10,000 feet, the smart thing to do would be go down a couple thousand feet to set up camp. It's crazy here how you'll go through dense forest and then all of a sudden there'll just be a barren open spot from where the avalanches have fallen down into the valleys and just taken everything with them. By this time we've made our way a good part off of the mountain, probably dropped a couple thousand feet. What we were finding very quickly was Telluride is a very popular place. All of the campsites that we were finding were already occupied. This would have definitely been a perfect camping spot and an amazing view for the night, but there were people coming in by the droves. They just kept parking literally right on top of each other. We decided to go somewhere on the other side of Telluride and see if we couldn't find us another little more secluded spot to camp. You know how we are about looking for wildlife, and we have looked for wildlife on this whole trip. The only herd of elk that we found was right in Telluride. Deb thinks they must feed them to keep them here for the tourists. We continued our exploration around Telluride and continued to look for campsites. However, just like on the other side where Last Dollar Road was, all of the camp spots were taken. We did find some pretty amazing ruins while we were on our quest for a campsite. By this point, we'd even started looking for commercial campgrounds to spend the night. We made our way back into Telluride, went through town again, and just outside of town on the other side, we found a campground that had just a couple vacancies left. By the time we made it to camp, it was completely dark, but we were still hungry.
So what time is it, guys?
9:30, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we struggled to find anywhere to camp tonight. It is very, very busy near Telluride. But we're doing it. Who's cooking tonight?
Chef Kelly.
Chef Kelly.
It's me.
Yay. He's tearing my cast iron skillets up.
We hope you've enjoyed this video and hope that you'll also stick around for the next episode when we hit Imogene Pass. Thanks again for watching Coddiwomple Overland. Remember, get all your Coddiwomple Overland merch at Long Creek Overland and go check out Dan Cummins Off-road. Until next time, see ya.